So guys, here I have with me the Carotone, a closer look, and it is a 3-in-1 Carotone jar cream. So I'm going to just open this for you. As you can see, it's new. Yes, new. So I'm going to use my scissors and just cut it open. I don't normally like to use scissors, but to cut anything open, but I'm going to use it because it is the easiest way for me to do so. So I'm just going to do it. Alright, so the plastic they come completely off. I'm just going to open it and show you guys how this cream looks. As you can see, it is white. Yeah, white. I'm just gonna mix it to kind of give like a ear space, just like cake batter. You have to mix it out properly. So I just going to, this is not no cake batter, but I'm gonna just give you an example for you to understand. So you see the texture, it's thick, it just looks good to me. Oh god, this just reminds me of ice cream, but it can't eat. This cream cannot eat. So don't make the mistake and try eating it. So look, I'm just saying, guys, I don't actually mean, yeah, I don't eat it. Alright, so this is how it looks, and I love the texture of how it feels. I didn't really actually feel it. So I kind of did slip and miss out this part because I was doing the video and I swear I touched the record part. But anyway, a good thing, somebody leave some a little in the bag for the last part of the video. You see me? And I squeeze it out to show you that it is the Carotone gel that I was putting in there. Yeah, this is the Carotone gel. Let me show you. Yeah. And I put 1 pack of the Carotone gel. And I kind of go, you can't make nothing waste. So, what I'm going to do is going to kind of show you how it looks and mix it around just a little bit. I'm not going to, yeah. You see that? Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh my god. Oh god, this looks so good. This looks so good, guys. This looks so jaja. But not no lie. Like, this literally look like it can a something to eat, but don't eat it. Have to use for your face to lighten your skin. Alright, so here we have the milk protein. Guys, my favorite. I wish I could, like, sell the milk protein, but guys, I'm not a fan of the whole shipping thing. And so this is how you squeeze it out, and yeah, it looks so good. Here's a close-up of how it it is going to work. So for those other Caro whites, I don't know where I'm gonna get it from, but this one, it works. Alright, let's get right into the mixture. So I'm going to open it here. Okay, as you can see, it smells good. This smell good. It not have no bad smell, no bad smell at all. It smells really perfumey. Yeah, and this is the color. For the one that it is not good, it would have a orange, like a full orange, like even more orange than the car there over there beside my hand. Yeah, you would see it. That is the fake one, but look at this color. It is the real one. You can know the difference. Understand? If it well orange, you know say it not good. All right, so whether orange, lightning gel in this cream with the papaya. Yeah, but I just have a special love for milk protein right now. Yes, so that's the reason why I'm going to use this in the cream. Okay, so mix kind of thin out to give it like a hair in it. You see the reason why I'm mixing it, I want to give it hair. You understand? You can't just use the cream on your face like that, it just come out of the store whatsoever. You have to mix. And when you can use the hand blender, yeah, if you would choose to make it more hair. For this I have a sunscreen, right? I use my sunscreen in it, right? So I can protect my skin from the sun, because you do not want your skin to be exposed to the sun, because you know say you will have dark under eyes, especially. We're going to squeeze it out. Let me set this properly. Okay, I wanted to see it. Let me turn the other way. So you see that white cream? It's called milk protein. That is how it's supposed to look. That is how it's supposed to look. Look at that. Creamy texture. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. People, just watch the mixture. Remember, if you're new, please like, share, subscribe. Share this video. If you reach far, share the video. Watch the ads, please guys, watch the ads. Right, then I'm going to add my papaya gel. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, look at that color, that orange color. Oh my god, yes guys, Yes, guys. Yes, guys. The moment of truth. Let me tell you, I love. You can add your shea butter to this. You can add your carrot oil to this. You can add, all right, your lemon oil. You can add different types of almond oil to this mixture. I'm not going to put it in there now, but let me tell you, people, this is amazing. This is amazing. I'm going to mix with all my strength right now. Oh my gosh, you want everything to blend in proper. Oh no, look at, you can't waste cream, you know. You can't waste cream. So we are mix properly. We're going to mix with all our strength right now. Okay, so guys, look at this. Amazing.